This is my utility wagon. I've had this for, I don't know, a number of years, probably at least 5, 6. Got this from Harbor Freight. What you see here is the result of years of modifications. The majority of the stuff that stands out, the shelf at the bottom, the fenders, the step in the front, which is actually part of the shelf, the red top, the grass, those things are all actually relatively new. 2 of the original frames, these here, were flat. Made some changes this year, all that's new. But using it as a handle to push with is original. I've also added braking this year with 2 bicycle brakes. That was a challenge. That was a long-term goal finally achieved. So I have a long video on my channel, another one down that I'm going to submit, that will have all the process, my eureka moments. This is what I think I'm going to do, this is what I ended up with that led to this, including some footage of what it looked like before I started on this year's projects. And again, if you have any interest in checking that out, why don't you go on over there, and if you do come across me at the Texas Renaissance Festival, this year is 2022, I'm going for the Halloween weekend on a Saturday, please feel free to say hello. Make a comment below, especially if you saw it here. I'm going to be referring people to this. That top stands up. There's more. You can see all that in the other video.